Today I thought I might share this with you. I quite like pottering about in the garden, and I especially like cuttings and offshoots and things, getting plants for nothing, in other words. This plant is Echeverria. It's from Central South America, so requires very little water, but it does need good light. It's a succulent, and it is so easy to propagate. If you can see here, the little baby plants round the edge. Now, what we do is we take these out very gently, and they will come out, but just be gentle with them. These are bowls and dishes that I have, and as you can see, they're cracked and chipped and all sorts of things. So what we do is fill them with compost, not too much, and on that compost we add some grit because they do like good drainage. Mix in the drainage with them. That's that. Right. That's it. Then we get our little baby plants, and for a dish this size, I would imagine 3 would be a good number for that. Things should always go in odd numbers, 3, 5, 7, that sort of thing. We get a little baby plant out, and there we go. Tiny, you can see the roots, which is good. Make a little hole, pop it in gently, and down you go. And I think 3 would do very well in there. And when you've that finished, we'll see if we can get another one out just to help it along a little bit to show you. There we go. In there. Put it down quite securely, really. And another little baby from somewhere. I have a little tool somewhere in the shed. I really should have got it out, but there we go. There's a better one there. That's a big one. So we'll put that in there. Right down. Oops. That's the reason I have this cloth on, to catch all the bits and pieces. So that's basically that. Now, cover it with a little more grit. Don't need a whole lot. What the grit will do is it'll help to stop it from drying out. And then if you cover that with a little decorative grit, it just adds to it, I think, makes it pretty. You can get very nice decorative grits, which is more colourful. I couldn't find them this year for some reason, but that's basically what it's like. It needs very, very little water. We could have added another one there and perhaps another one in the middle. It needs very, very little water, but it does need, as I said, it does need good light. So after a couple of months, this is what you have. As you can see, I have I probably put about 5 in that, and as you can see, it's spread really well. And after some time, this is what you have. You do not need a deep dish. A shallow dish does very, very well. And you can put it in anything, any old chipped cups, old cracked things. And it does come out into a flower. It's not a flower that I particularly like. And as you can see, this flower is actually over with. It was blooming about 3 weeks ago. So And that's really what you end up with here. And I think it makes a very nice present. Christmas is coming. The children might be able to do it for their friends, or indeed as gifts for their teachers. But give it a go. Try it anyway, and enjoy it. Just a note, when you are planting things, try when possible to use peat-free compost, because it will help with our planet. Thank you.